Hi students, today we will do the revision of chapter 5. In this chapter we will learn about the different tools of paint, how to save the picture in different file format. These things we will learn in this chapter. But before starting the chapter, let us recap the different components of the paint ribbon. So page 57, everyone look at the get going. There you have to label the different components of the paint ribbon. So let us start the class. This first one is clipboard. This one is clipboard group. This one is image group. Image group. Tools group. Tools group. Shapes group. Shapes group. And finally colors group. Colors group. Now repeating it once again. Clipboard group, image group, tools group, shapes group, and at the end colors group. Now in the previous class we have learnt about how to draw the different shapes and fill color in the different shapes using the shapes group. In this chapter, in this year, we will use the different tools and how to make changes in our picture. Those things we will learn about. So now let us start the chapter. The tools group, that means this group, tools group. See, the tools group is shown over here. The tools group has many tools to help us to draw picture. This one is the pencil tool. Pencil tool. Fill color tool. Fill with color tool. This tool we have used last year. Fill with color tool. Text tool. Text tool. Text tool. Eraser. Eraser. Color picker. Color picker tool. Magnifier. Magnifier. And brushes. Different types of brushes are there. So repeating it once again, the different tools. Pencil. Fill with color. Text. Eraser. Color picker. Magnifier. And brushes. Now please turn the page. Now first, pencil tool. Pencil tool is selected by default. Whenever you are opening the paint program, the pencil tool is selected. You can use it to draw freehand. Using this pencil tool, we can draw freehand picture. Let us see how we are using it. Now, using the pencil tool, we can draw anything. Suppose I am drawing one tree. See, I have drawn one tree. Another thing, we can select for the pencil any color also, we can select it and draw it. See, I have drawn one ice cream using the pencil tool. Clear how we are using the pencil tool? Next, fill with color tool. Fill with color tool is used to fill color in a picture. The picture must be a closed figure. A closed figure is an image which has no end. If the picture has open end, the color will spill out into the drawing area. So let us see how it is working. Now, first we have to select the fill with color button. Now suppose we want to color this circle pink. We have to select the color, then we have to click on the shape. As this is a closed shape, so the color has been filled with pink. Suppose we want to color this tree. Let us select the green color. Why this has happened? Because the tree is not a closed shape. Here is the opening, here is one opening. That's why this has happened. So let us first close the open edges. Now let us see, is it working or not? See, the tree has been colored. Next we have to color the trunk. See, the tree is colored using the fill with color. Text tool. Text tool is used to write or type in a drawing area. So let us see how this text tool is working. Now this one is the text tool. This one is the text tool. Whenever we click, suppose here we want to write something. Suppose our name. Simply we type from the keyboard. After clicking the text tool of the home tab, we will click in the drawing area where we want to write something. Then over there from the keyboard, simply we were typing. This box will come, inside that we will type. Now, whenever we are using the text tool, a new tab appears. Its name is text. Text tab appears. Over here, you can see whatever we want to write. We can give a nice font style. We can give the font size. Change the font size. We can make it bold, italics, underline, and also we can give the different color. Okay, so these are the things that we can do using the text tool. Eraser tool is used to remove or erase a part of your picture. Now let us see how the eraser tool is working. This one is the eraser tool. If we click it, see, the eraser has come, but it is very small. It is very small. We need to increase the size. See, in the colors group, you have the size. You can select the size of the eraser from there, and also if you want to make it much more bigger than this high size, from the keyboard please click Ctrl and plus together. See, the size of the eraser will be increased. If we click Ctrl plus minus, then it will be decreased. If we click Ctrl plus sign, then the size of the eraser will be increased. Okay. Color picker tool. color picker tool is used to select or pick a color from the image. Now let us see how the color picker tool is using. This is the color picker tool. Click it. Suppose we want to take this brown color. Over here, see, the black color is selected. Now we want to click the brown color. Just click on the color. See, the brown color is selected. See, the brown color is selected, and if we draw something with the pencil, it will be with the brown color. Clear how the color picker tool is using. So, today's CW work is clear. HW work will be to read the pages that we have done today. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So everyone, stay at home, stay healthy, study at home, don't waste your time, and bye-bye.